Hey guys, welcome to ASM Education. Hope you all are having a great day. This is the 11th video on our book, The McKinsey Way. We are discussing the 11th chapter, displaying data with charts. I hope you all have seen the previous videos. If not, then just go and watch them. I've put them in a separate playlist. So without a further ado, let's start. So the author says that the firm relies on charts and graphical representations of information as a primary means of communication. And McKinsey over time has spent a lot of time and effort to discover what works with charts and what doesn't. And most of this wisdom comes from a book, Sales with Charts. So the first part of the chapter talks about keeping it simple. He says that there should be one message per chart. The more the complexity of the chart, the lesser effectiveness of the chart. Also, he says that it is not an art project. You should just focus on conveying the information, not focus too much on the art. Then the author says that there are a lot of templates that McKinsey uses and they serve a very important purpose, that they keep the charts very simple. He said that with computer graphics it is very easy to make a chart very fancy, and then the message gets lost. He says that McKinsey prints its charts in black and white. It avoids three-dimensional graphics unless absolutely necessary to convey the message. What is the need for this? Because the author feels that the medium should not outpower the message, hence the ban on distracting colors or deceptive 3D perspectives. The author says that the information in a chart can be very complex. There can be multiple points that a chart is making, so it is the duty of the chartist to decide which point to make, and he does this by uh, writing a simple statement over the chart, and that is called the lead. That is the caption at the top of the chart. A good lead expresses the point of the chart in one simple sentences. Also, any chart will have its the source of the information written next to it. uh, this is very important to avoid plagiarism. The author again says that too many will bore your audience, and that is why it is very essential that you use the absolute minimum necessary to make your point. Then the author talks about waterfall charts. He says use a waterfall chart to show the flow. He says that this is an excellent way to illustrate quantitative flows. Now, what do you mean by quantitative flows? So that means it shows how you are getting from number A to number B. So we'll just give an example of a waterfall chart here, or this one. So here we are starting from sales, then we are showing operating expenses, then how we reached EBIT, then we how we reached the PAT, and then the other income that were there. And so this just shows how you reach from this 150 to 6 rupees, 150 rupees of sales to 6 rupees of profit. What were the things that you incurred in this process? So then the author says that, yeah, so the author says that waterfalls can depict static data, that is balance sheets, income statements, or active data, that is time series data or cash flows. He says that whatever data you use, the waterfall chart is a very versatile way to convey a lot of information in a clear and concise manner. Yes, so that's it about charts. This was a very small chapter in which the author talked about charts. So I hope this added some value to your day. Have a great time. Keep learning. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.